You tell yourself you should be better. You should save more, spend less, know more. But truth is, you're not bad with money. You're just tired. You're doing everything for everyone, working, providing, sacrificing. Every dollar you make costs you time, energy, joy. No wonder you're exhausted. Most money plans are made for people who already have margin. You've been making magic out of thin air. This isn't failure. This is survival mode. What if your financial plan didn't start with cutting, but with caring? Caring for you, your mind, your heart, your nervous system. Peace isn't some far-off dream. It's a decision. To stop fighting yourself, to start working with your rhythms, not against them. We're not doing extreme makeovers. We're doing small steps, gentle routines, sustainable wins. Because that's what builds real wealth, inside and out. I'm Anthony-Doty. You're not behind. You're just burnt out. Let's rebuild your plan with peace at the center. Click below. Let's begin again.